Are you experiencing call drops or calls disconnecting automatically on Samsung phone? If yes, then don't worry, as this video will help you to fix incoming or outgoing calls dropping issue on Samsung devices. So let's go ahead. Method 1. Restart your phone. One of the easiest ways to solve the calling issue is by restarting your Samsung phone. Just press and hold power button unless power off option occurs. Finally, click on restart option. Now, check the error. Method 2. Check network connection. Poor or unstable network signal can also lead to call disconnecting or dropping issue on Samsung phone. Therefore, you should check your phone's signal indicator whether it's good or not. Method 3. Reinsert SIM card. You should check your SIM card is inserted properly or not. Most of the time, it happens that SIM card is improperly inserted and such kind of issue happens. So remove your SIM card once and again reinsert on your device. Method 4. Disable Wi-Fi calling. First, launch the phone app on your Samsung phone. Now, click on three dots at top right corner. Here, choose Settings option. Finally, disable Wi-Fi calling option. Then check if the problem is fixed or not. Method 5. Turn off call barring. First, open phone application. Click on three-dot line, then Settings. Move down to More options. Select call barring option. Check if any setting is enabled, then disable it. Once done, check the problem if resolved. Method 6. Check and update phone software. First, go to Settings on your Samsung phones. Now, click on Software Update. Next, tap on the Download and Install option. Here, if there is any update available, tap on Update option. Method 7. Clear cache and data. First, open Settings on your Samsung phone. Now, move down to Apps. Here, find SIM Toolkit and open it. Next, tap on Storage, Clear Cache and then on Clear Date option. Method 8. Boot phone into safe mode. First, press and hold power button unless power menu occurs. Now, long press power off button, then tap on safe mode option. Here, try to make or receive calls and check if it's dropping or not. Method 9. Reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. First, go to Settings on your phone. Now, click on General Management and tap on Reset. Here, tap on Reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings and then on Reset Settings. Method 10. Reset APN settings. First, go to Settings on your Samsung phone. Now, open Connections, then on Mobile Networks. Here, click on Access Point Names. Next, click on three dots and then choose Reset to Default. Method 11. Contact your carrier. When none of the methods work, then you should take help from your carrier support. Contact carrier support and tell them about the issue you are facing. They will resolve the issue or your SIM card should replace.